Alrighty, that was my interpretation of Rock Me by Muddy Waters. Not to be confused with Rock Me Baby, it's a different song. I'm tuned to G today, G, D, G. The song is in E. So if you want to play along with the record, which I highly recommend, it's easy to play along with, lots of fun. You want to tune down to E, B, E. And if you're tuned to G right now, that won't hurt your instrument. As long as you go down, not up, everything will be fine. So the song starts off with a little intro. He does 4 times. He says whoa whoa, which I replaced with just tapping my instrument here. And then you do this lick. 5 on the middle, 5 on the high, 5 on the middle, 3 hammered to 4 on the high, and then 5 on the middle again. Now you might recognize that as being very close, if not almost exactly the same as I'm a Man or Mannish Boy, but how it's combined with the other notes in the song is a little different. So anyway, he does that 4 times, whoa whoa, and he does this. After the 4th time, you go directly to the 4 chord, and that's actually where the singing starts, and that's the beginning of the song. This is a very interesting song. It's another one of his 15-bar blues, which sounds like a really odd number, but it actually works out quite well. So you do the standard 2 measures here. And then you go into what I consider the main riff of the song. Open low string, then the lick, which is 5 in the middle, 5 in the high, 5 in the middle, 3 hammered at 4, 5 on the middle. I usually leave my finger down for that. So it sort of rings through. And then you go 0, 3, 0 on the low string. Now you're going to play this lick 3 times. At first that might feel a little weird because you're used to doing everything in 2s or 4s or whatever, but you do it 3 times. So it starts off with just coming from here. Just 1 hit on the low string. Now the last one you can vary it to this. So that's 0, 3, 0, 3. And it's a micro bend. Not that time, but the previous times, it's a bit of a micro bend. Very subtle. Like that. Just not even a quarter tone, just the slightest amount. Back to the 4. Back to the riff 3 times. And then to the 5, not 5th fret, 7th fret. 5 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 4 chord on the 5th fret. 3, 4. Back to the riff 3 times. And can't remember how many verses there is. I think there's 3 main verses. The song fades out, so there's no particular ending, but you can easily go. ending for it. So how it works out to be 15 bars is you don't count the intro. It only does that once, and that's 4 times. That's the only thing in the song that goes 4 times. Song starts 2 measures on the 4 chord on the 5th fret, and then 3 licks, each lick being worth a measure. That's 1 measure. So 3 of those. So 2 and 3 is 5. Then we go back to the 4 chord for 2 measures, back to the riff 3 times, 3 measures. So now we're up to 10. Then we go to the 5 chord on the 7th fret, and from 1 measure, and then to the 4 chord on the 5th fret, 1 measure, so there's our 2 again, and then we do, as the turnaround, if you will, the 3 licks again, which is 3 measures. And that's where you get the 15. 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3. That's it. And you just don't count the intro. Great song to jam with, though. Lots of fun. I hope you have a good time with that. Have a great day. Bye.